Am I consistent enough? That was the exact question that was being asked, and for the second I heard it, it just shook me off. Now, this question was asked by one of my subscribers, not now, but approximately a month ago. When I first read the comment, my brain literally froze. Not because I didn't know exactly how to answer it, because I was scared of being honest and genuine. I couldn't ignore it. Obviously, I couldn't, and I had to reply it with something purely good. So I just replied the message with, yep, for the past 3 days. I was actually being consistent for the past 3 days, the time I posted that video. But after replying that message, I sat with a piece of paper, not to answer that person, but actually to be honest and genuine with myself. Before I answer this question, am I consistent enough? You actually have to understand the story behind this channel. When I first started this YouTube channel, my intention was absolutely simple. I wanted to show the life of a medical aspirant, a typical 12th grade bio student, the pressure, the routine, the struggle. I was watching creators like Rakshita Singh and Himani Sharma, just in case if you know, and since I was in my 12th grade, obviously I wanted the aesthetic, productive, so-called consistent YouTube channel of mine at the same time. I wanted to document how a biology student go through in her entire preparation of this medical journey. For some reason, I had to take BCA as my graduation, and after choosing this, the very first question that came across my mind was, what exactly do I even have to do with this YouTube channel? I always thought that I will take medical, so that was exactly the reason why I started my YouTube channel with the name of the 12th grader, and the content was absolutely very simple, the bio life. But I ended up choosing BCA, and once the decision was made, another question hit me even harder. What am I supposed to do with the YouTube channel now? Because my channel identity was being built with the content of the 12th grader as a bio student. That version of me no longer existed. For a moment, I actually thought that I had to shut this YouTube channel. But I really didn't want it to, because this channel was the only place where I felt that my creativity is alive. So I posted videos once, twice, maybe thrice a month. And then I disappeared again, because after entering this graduation, I obviously started taking in part of culturals. It might be in youth fest, it might be in singing, it might be even in debate competitions. And recently I got selected as an NEP Sathi, and obviously my upcoming academic year is going to be very hectic. I kept delaying because I was figuring out with my life, and that's when I realized something. I procrastinate a lot, and just in case if you remember, I already shot a video on my YouTube channel, approximately of 16 minutes long, lengthy video about procrastination, and even after shooting that, I kept on procrastinating things. Not that much, but obviously a little bit. Whenever it came to YouTube, I obviously told an excuse to myself, because I know what it takes exactly to get there, for planning, writing, shooting, editing, and then posting. It takes time, it takes effort, or at least that's what I've been thinking. That's what maybe I kept on telling myself. And after a long break, I finally posted a video, and that's when one of my subscribers commented on my YouTube video that, are you even consistent? Are you consistent enough? For the moment I read it, I just froze. Everything around me stopped. I just had to reply it. More than replying it, I started getting confused, and I questioned myself, am I actually being consistent? And that's when exactly I sat with a piece of paper, trying to figure out and trying to sort out my 24 hours of life of a single day. Firstly, I divided my 24 hours into 3 portions, in which 7 to 8 hours of time gets consumed for sleeping, 7 to 8 hours of time, or sometimes even 9 hours of time, get consumed for my college. And I still have 7 to 8 hours of time, the same time that I have been investing upon scrolling reels and scrolling YouTube shorts. I still have 8 hours of time every day. I could sing, I could dance, I could write content, I could even spend my time into noveling. And at that moment, the answer became clear. Yeah, I wasn't consistent, and the reason behind me not being consistent wasn't the lack of creativity, wasn't the lack of content, wasn't the lack of resources, wasn't the lack of clarity. The main reason behind me not being consistent was my commitment. Maybe I was always waiting to be ready. Maybe I was always waiting for the perfection. But what I exactly need was discipline, perfection, and commitment. Not someday, but now. So, yeah, this was today's shot. Signing off, Tazeen Sheikh.